olive oil begins its journey long before it reaches the bottle, starting as a hard, bitter fruit growing under the Mediterranean sun. Freshly harvested olives arrive at the factory within hours of picking. Timing is critical because the quality of olive oil depends heavily on how quickly the fruit is processed after harvest. The olives are unloaded into wide receiving hoppers where leaves, small branches, and field debris are separated from the fruit using vibrating screens and controlled airflow. The cleaned olives move onto conveyor belts and enter industrial washing systems. Here, fresh water circulates around the fruit, removing dust, soil, and surface residues. Rotating paddles gently roll the olives, ensuring every surface is cleaned without damaging the skins. After washing, the olives are inspected as they move forward. Any remaining stems or defective fruit are removed before grinding begins. The clean olives then enter hanner mills or stone crushers, where the fruit is crushed whole. The hard pits break apart and the flesh transforms into a thick green paste. This grinding process releases the oil trapped inside the olive cells. The paste is transferred into malaxation tanks, one of the most important stages in olive oil production. Inside these tanks, the paste is slowly mixed at controlled temperatures. This gentle movement allows tiny oil droplets to merge into larger ones, making extraction more efficient while preserving aroma and flavor. After sufficient mixing, the paste flows into high-speed decanter centrifuges. These powerful machines spin the paste at extreme speeds, using centrifugal force to separate the components by weight. Solid olive pulp moves outward, vegetation water settles in the middle, and pure olive oil collects at the center. The separated oil exits the centrifuge as a continuous golden stream. At the same time, the remaining olive solids, known as pomace, are expelled and transported away for further use, often as fuel, animal feed, or compost. Freshly extracted oil still contains fine particles and moisture. To improve clarity and stability, the oil passes through filtration systems. Natural filters and fine membranes remove microscopic solids, resulting in a cleaner, brighter product without altering its natural character. Filtered oil flows into sealed stainless steel storage tanks. These tanks are designed to protect the oil from light, heat, and oxygen. In many facilities, a layer of inert nitrogen gas is introduced above the oil surface, preventing oxidation and preserving freshness during storage. Before bottling, samples are taken for quality control. In laboratory settings, technicians test acidity levels, purity, moisture content, and overall stability. These measurements ensure the oil meets strict international standards for premium olive oil. Once approved, the oil is released from storage and sent to the bottling line. Glass bottles move along automated conveyors, precisely spaced and synchronized. Filling nozzles dispense exact amounts of olive oil into each bottle, stopping cleanly at the correct level. The filled bottles are sealed immediately with airtight caps. Labels are then applied, displaying brand information, harvest details, and traceability codes. Cameras check fill levels, cap security, and label alignment. Finally, the finished bottles are packed into boxes by robotic systems. The boxes are stacked onto pallets, wrapped securely, and prepared for shipping. Stored in climate-controlled warehouses, these pallets are ready to be transported to markets around the world. From a bitter green fruit to a smooth golden oil, every step of the process is designed to preserve purity, hygiene, and modern engineering.